Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw commissions from Paycom, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw commissions from Paycom, start by logging into your Paycom account. Navigate to your dashboard once logged in. Locate the commission section in the menu. Click on the withdraw option within the commission section. Review your current commission balance to ensure you meet the withdrawal minimum. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the options provided. If you choose direct deposit, enter your bank account details carefully. For other methods, follow the prompts to provide the necessary information. Double-check all entered details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation notification of your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Depending on the method selected, processing times may vary. Allow sufficient time for the funds to appear in your chosen account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Paycom support resources available on their website. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Paycom customer support directly. Be sure to record the transaction for your financial records. That's all you need to know to successfully withdraw your commissions from Paycom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.